In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track email campaigns in HubSpot. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to effectively manage their email marketing efforts. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you haven't signed up yet, simply head over to their official website and create an account. Once you're all set and logged in, navigate to the top menu where you'll see Marketing. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Campaigns. This is where the magic begins, as you'll have access to all the tools necessary for your email marketing campaigns. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. There's a button labeled Create Campaign. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a window where you can start setting up your campaign details. You'll need to provide a campaign name, select a color to help you easily identify it, and if needed, choose a brand. It's important to assign an owner to the campaign to ensure accountability, and don't forget to set a start date. Planning is key, so have all these details ready for a smoother setup. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to add some assets or content to your campaign. Click on Actions and select Add Assets or Content. This part is crucial because you can associate emails, landing pages, blog posts, or any other relevant materials with your campaign. By doing so, you'll have everything neatly organized and aligned with your campaign's goals. Speaking of goals, under the Actions menu, you'll find an option to edit goals. This feature allows you to define specific objectives for your campaign, whether it's tracking clicks, conversions, or any other key metrics. Clearly defined goals will help you evaluate the campaign's success and make necessary adjustments as you go. Tracking is fundamental to understanding how well your efforts are paying off. Under Actions, you also have the Create Tracking URL option. Use this to generate unique URLs that will help you monitor the performance of your campaign across different channels. It's essential to have this tracking in place to gather insights and refine your strategy accordingly. If you have existing assets you want to include in your campaign, HubSpot makes it easy. Simply search for them within your account and select the checkboxes to associate them with the current campaign. This flexibility allows you to continue leveraging assets that have already been optimized for your audience. And there you have it. You're now ready to create and track your email campaigns in HubSpot. Remember, a well-organized campaign is not only about sending emails, but also about measuring success and adjusting as needed. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing with HubSpot. Feel free to pause, rewind, or re-watch any sections of this video to ensure you've got it all down. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.